When should I replace my outlets? Outlets typically start to show signs of age after 15 or 20 years of use. Your outlets may need attention sooner, depending on how often they're used and what type of appliances you're using to connect to those outlets. Ignoring faulty electrical outlets can increase your risk of shock or fire hazard. Here's what to look for when it's time to replace your outlets. When your outlet faceplate or outlet is cracked or broken. If when you plug devices or appliances into your outlet, you find the connection is loose, or when the prongs fall out. If you notice sparking when plugging and unplugging devices, or you notice a warm feel or smell to the outlet. These are all signs that the outlet is aging and not able to carry the needed current through the device. Replacing your electrical outlets is not a terribly expensive task and definitely worth doing so if there is any safety concerns. Another consideration when replacing your electrical outlets is if you have older two-prong outlets, or if you have an older home and you do not have proper GFCI protection in locations within 6 feet of a water source, outside of the home, or unfinished areas of the house such as garages or basement areas. These are all areas where we would recommend GFCI protection for safety. Replacing damaged or faulty electrical outlets can improve the safety of your home and avoid any unexpected or surprise electrical issues.